Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ethan with Axle, and today I'm joined by Alex from Tacvalve. And today we're going to do an overview on Tacvalve, the company, and the products that they offer. All right, so Alex, right off the bat, can you tell us a little bit about Modcan and kind of how this all came about?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is our new Modcan, or Modern Canteen, and it was designed to improve hydration, give you more options. It's made with antimicrobial properties to combat mold and mildew and fungus. And it's more connective and adaptive than other bottles that we've found, giving you more options to how you hydrate.
So how did the Modcan kind of come about? What was the idea behind it originally?
Yeah, great question. So the Modcan originally was designed by a guy out of 10th Group, Green Beret. He needed a way to connect his issued gas mask with a Nalgene. So the original concept eventually evolved into a complete bottle system that coincidentally solves some challenges or shortcomings of the issued canteen.
All right, so you mentioned the canteen. What was the issue with the canteen, or what was the main thing there?
Yeah, so the classic USGI canteen, the venerable canteen, is very tried, very proven. It's got a long history, but anybody who's ever been issued one will tell you a horror story or a nasty experience with a stinky, moldy canteen. So they are rather hard to keep clean, and that design hasn't really evolved much in about 60 years. So we saw some big opportunities to bring the canteen into the modern age, make it a little bit easier to clean and keep itself clean, and give people features that they would expect from a modern bottle.
So going off, we were just talking about the canteen. I myself am one of those people who have had some bad experiences with issued canteens in the past. Earlier you mentioned antimicrobial properties. What is that? Like, what's the idea behind that?
Yeah, that's a great question. So each bottle is permanently embedded with antimicrobial properties that will delay the growth or appearance of mold for 10 to 35 days. So that means you're going to get a lot less mold and mildew and stink that may build up in another bottle. It's permanently embedded in the HDPE plastic, so it does not need to be reapplied or renewed. The technology comes from the food industry, so it's food safe. It's not going to add any taste or flavor to your water. It's just going to be in the bottle, working around the clock silently in the background to keep you a little bit healthier.
So having said that, do you need to clean this at all, or how often should you clean it?
Yeah, I would still recommend a semi-regular cleaning schedule. It's safe to put this in the dishwasher so you can throw it in the loaded dishes very easily. I use electrolytes and creatine and other additives in mine very frequently. You can give it a quick scrub, but usually all you need is a hot water rinse to keep it smelling fresh. If you do use electrolytes with sugar, I would recommend scrubbing out sugar deposits because obviously those will still grow mold. But generally speaking, it's going to keep itself clean a little bit longer. That means you're doing a whole lot less soapy scrubbing in your kitchen sink.
Can you kind of talk about the connectivity and how that works?
Yeah, absolutely. So the Modcan is designed with a wide mouth, narrow mouth, and even an optional QUICKSHOT jet spray nozzle. And what that means is your standard wide mouth 63 millimeter thread will connect to a 48 ounce Nalgene, a 32 ounce Nalgene, so that you can add gas mask caps and other accessories. Use your existing hydration products with more connectivity. It also means that our bottle is compatible with something like a platypus day cap for an internal filter, taking advantage of the squeeze function of the bottle design. So, I've even seen customers that, put a human gear cap lid on there for, increased height or reduced height, whatever fits, in their ruck or their kit, the way they've set it up. It does give you a lot of options, which is the intention behind the design. And we're actually going to have some new cap and lid designs coming out this year, which we think you guys will love as well. So next we have our narrow mouth thread. It's a 38 millimeter thread pitch. We have a few cap options available right now. The first one being our QUICKSHOT valve, which is a pressure activated nozzle, like a jet spray in the top of the bottle. If you're in the gym, if you're an athlete, if you're running, performance sports, that kind of stuff, it's a really great option for that because you can get a quick shot of fluid for optimal hydration. We also have our standard closure cap, which has no valve in the top. And if you're, engaged in really heavy patrolling or something like that, if you're putting this bottle deep in your ruck, I would not recommend the QUICKSHOT valve just because it can be activated accidentally. If you're doing a lot of low crawls or I'm up, he sees me, I'm down, and you land on your bottle, it could obviously spray unintentionally, and we don't want that. So you can build your Modcan for your application in the way that's ideal for optimal hydration.
So can you tell us how this connects to your gas mask?
Yeah, if you remember the original design of the adapter lid to connect, an issued gas mask to a Nalgene, our narrow mouth threads, like I mentioned, will accept multiple caps. It'll accept user supplied caps as well, like the AVON drinking cap. And this cap will thread right onto the top of your Modcan, and it will connect to your Type M drinking tube on a C50, an M50, an FM53, and an FM54. This cap should come with your gas mask. Don't try to connect your gas mask to the caps that come on your Modcan. It's not going to work, but the threads will accept the user supplied cap. One other note on gas mask usage is because of the squeezable design of the Modcan, you can force the pressure of the fluid through the drinking tube a lot faster. So if you've ever trained under a gas mask, you'll know that the standard practice is to hold your bottle up and let gravity do the job. With the Modcan, you can speed up the drinking process significantly, which is great if you're in, a super hot shoot house, in summer, and you need some quick fluids. You need to hydrate and get back to work. It helps you to hydrate more easily in very uncomfortable conditions.
So is this only compatible with like the AVON gas mask system, or is there other options out there available?
Yeah, so we're also compatible with MIRA caps. If you're a MIRA gas mask user, this cap should come with your mask when you bought it. It will also thread onto that 38 millimeter thread pitch at the top of your Modcan. We also work with the standard M40 cap. These have been issued for a very, very long time. So if you have one that looks like this, it will also thread onto the top of your bottle for use with an M40 gas mask.
So this is definitely very similar in size to the Nalgene. How would you integrate this into your kit, your everyday carry setup?
Yeah, that's another really good question. Because of that familiar footprint, we are compatible with many Nalgene style pouches from a number of different brands. So whether you're carrying water on your plate carrier or your ruck or even on belt kit, whatever you prefer, there's probably a pouch that exists that will plug right into your Modcan. There's a couple that we like. Number one is the famous Spiritus Nalgene pouch. The big benefit here is the clip. So no matter which way you're moving, up, down, left, right, it's going to retain that bottle with a sturdy clip, which I really, really like. We also have another one from Tracer, which is a great option. Here it's on an axle belt. The benefit here is that even when you're not carrying water, it's a nice little slick dump pouch. The mesh is also really nice for drainage. It does have some retention. Fred from Counting Coup Tactical showed us this at SHOT Show. If you insert your Modcan here, you can use this elastic around the top, and it's going to retain it pretty well. So that's another really good option from Tracer Tactical. And then this is a newer one to me. Our friends up in the north in Canada, Carcajou, a lot of you know that brand and probably use their gear. Similar design with the bungee retention, but it's going to drop right in. If you want to have this on your chest rig, that's a great option. On the side of your ruck, and we're working on new ways to carry water that make it a little bit easier, a little bit more convenient. So keep an eye out for some new products in the coming year.
All right, so I know a big question when it comes to purchasing stuff like this, where is it made?
Yeah, so we're 100% material sourced and manufactured in the USA. That's something that's very important to us. Last year we had a delay on a restock because of a shortage of American rubber that we use in our gaskets. And that was, a challenge that we had to face that we accepted because, it wasn't something that we were going to compromise on and use a substitute product from another country. It's obviously, very important to us to be American made. Our bottles are HDPE #2 plastic, like I mentioned, BPA, BPS, phthalate, and PFAS free. Because health is very, very important. We don't want any nasty chemicals interacting with the water that we drink. And we also have a new load-bearing strap. It's got a retaining ring on the side, so you can add a carabiner, you can add some 550 cord. If you're the kind of person that likes to swing your bottle around a lot, you're gonna like that feature quite a bit. I will say though, our strap does pop out at the top for use with the QUICKSHOT valve. So if you are the kind of person that carries your bottle around by the strap, make sure to be using that ring because it will pop out at the top if you yank a little bit too hard. So the Modcan is available now in OD green, coyote brown, and what we call natural, which is a translucent clear plastic. And it's a great bottle, obviously, and we hope that everyone sees the benefits and considers it a tool that they can add to their hydration toolkit.
Awesome. Where can people get a hold of you guys at? Are you guys on social media?
Yeah, so you can follow us on Instagram at Tacvalve. We're also on X, Facebook. You can email us. We're very, very active. We love talking to customers. We love seeing customer pictures and learning about how you're hydrating and how you're using our products. So please don't be a stranger. Reach out to us and we'd be happy to talk with you.
Awesome. Well, Alex, thanks again for coming out and giving us the rundown on all this. This is a product that we at Axle really believe in. We all enjoy using it, and we think you guys should too. If you're interested in picking one up, they're available on our website right now, axleadvance.com. Peace.